If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days
But I'm gonna bedazzle this hair a little bit, just a little bit. I'm gonna just put some mousse in the hair. Don't you just hate when your mousse top comes off? What are they doing these days? Why can't I just have mousse that actually has a thing? Like, all of these can spray things are becoming useless. I don't understand why. Why? I have this one too. Same thing. Well, then I had to crush it because it had just a little bit in there. I crushed it and I was able to get some stuff out. Still not as much, but it comes out sometimes. Still not working. I think it needs more crushing. So you can skip that process and just use mousse to lay the flyaways down, which is what I'm choosing to do because I kind of like how the hair is stiff. I like that stiff look, but if you want it more flowy, then you definitely want to put it in hot water. Mousse costs money. This one is brand new. It still has so much in there. Why wouldn't it work? How do you get your mousse out when this happens to you? I'm sure I'm not the only one that happens to. It's very frustrating. Very, very, very frustrating. No, it's not that bad. I'm not easily angered. No. Gloves. You have to have gloves everywhere these days because you just never know. I just popped the spray portion from the Got To Be glue. And I'm going to try it on here. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't, then I just ruined. I think it's going to work. Yes, but it worked. So just want to mousse your hair and I'm gonna bedazzle this hair a little bit, just a little bit.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with
this
the
one, when I put it in, I usually use a
That's
thread.
why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Isn't that too far away from our hearts? Yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah. We should breathe slow. 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 We should breathe slow.
the final say. Jehovah turns my life around. He turns my life around. He makes a way where there seems no way. Third time is a charm. I'll probably rock this for 2 weeks. Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie. Maybe 1 or 2 weeks. Okay. This means 5 minutes off of my morning. 5 minutes. I can do something extra. I can sleep in 5 minutes. I could read an extra 5 minutes. I could get to work an extra 5 minutes early. So 5 minutes of my life right here. Well, it actually took me an hour and a half of my life. Just not in the morning time. But thanks for watching this video.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surrender.